consonantal and consonantal. There are two consonantal, but this t we don't use it much in writing. It has just a few words. Both t are all consonant series. They are pronounced with second vowel sounds. Here is the way to pronounce them with vowels. Tho, ear, tear. Tho, e, te. Tho, e, te. Tho, ư, thư. Tho, ư, thư. Tho, u, thu. Tho, u, thu. Tho, ua, thua. Tho, ơ, thơ. Tho, ưa, thưa. Tho, ia, thìa. Tho, ê, thề. Tho, e, thè. Tho, ấy, thầy. Tho, ô, thô. Tho, ơ, thơ. Tho, thông. Tho, thông. Tho, thòm. Tho, the. Tho, thu. Tho, the. Tho, thua. Consonantal, as in word Thia Maria. Tho, ia, thia និង ម ធៀម រ អៀ រា Thia Maria is a cormorant. Thia Maria. The next word, thiel. Tho, ia, thia និង ល thiel. Thiel is a shield used to protect when fighting. Thiel. Consonantal, as in word ធំ Tho, Thong means big. The next word, Tho nia kia. Tho, no ear, near. Go ear, kia nang ro kia. Tho nia kia is a bank. Thong, tho u, thu nang ngó thong. Thong is a bucket. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.